Hello everyone. We are in a cafe to learn how to start a simple conversation in English.
That's right. Let's start by ordering a drink.
Hello, gentlemen. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like a coffee, please.
All right. And for you, sir?
I'm going to have some tea, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Here's your coffee and tea.
How much is it?
That makes $4.
Thank you. There it is.
Thank you very much.
We managed to place our order and ask for the price. Now, let's continue our adventure by exploring the market. Look at all those fruits and vegetables. Let's learn to shop at the market.
Hello. What can I offer you today?
Hello. I would like an apple, please.
Here is your apple. It's $1.
Thank you. And how much does this banana cost?
The banana costs 50 cents.
All right, I'll take a banana too.
Here is your banana. That's $1.50 in total.
Thank you. Here is the money.
Thank you.
We managed to buy our fruit by asking the price. Now let's continue our adventure by looking for a stationery store to buy school supplies.
Hello, young man. How can I help you?
Hello, sir. I am looking for an eraser and a notebook for school.
Here is an eraser and a notebook of your choice.
How much does the eraser cost?
The eraser costs $1.
Very well. And the notebook?
The notebook costs $2.
Perfect. I'll take them both. Here is the money.
Thank you.
We managed to buy an eraser and a notebook using the dialogues of level A1. Now, let's progress to the A2 level dialogues. Meet at the library.
Welcome to the library, where we'll learn to talk about our interests and borrow books.
Hello, boys. What can I do for you?
Hello. I am looking for books on the history of France.
Very well. Here is the section dedicated to the history of France. You will find several interesting books.
Thank you. And could you recommend a book on the castles of the Loire?
Of course. Here is a book on this specific topic. You can borrow it for 2 weeks.
Perfect. I'll take this one. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy reading!
We have expanded our skills with the A2 level dialogues. Let's move on to our next situation by going to the doctor. Hello, doctor. My friend is not feeling fine. He has a fever and he coughs a lot.
What are the symptoms exactly?
I have a fever and I cough a lot.
All right. I'll take your temperature and check your throat. It looks like you've caught a cold. I will prescribe medication to help you recover.
How many times a day should I take these medications?
Twice a day, right after meals.
Thank you, doctor. I hope to feel better soon.
I wish you a speedy recovery. Goodbye.
We hope you enjoyed our dialogues and learned some new language skills.
Don't forget to practice English regularly and immerse yourself in real situations to improve your level.
If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments.
See you soon for new linguistic adventures.